Today is a tragedy. Why? Well, I have to leave the ship. I'm currently playing a game of suitcase Tetris to leave the Holland America Rotterdam. I've been living in the stateroom for 21 days. This is a category Verandah stateroom. The balcony. Simple enough. Awesome. Small table. Oh, we've got here some places to stretch the legs. Now, usually people show you the room before they unpack, but I'm doing this after, so I can tell you the truth. The good, the bad, and the weird. Okay, so yeah, we have the room. It's got some space here. Some welcome, the waters. Some extra blankets. The table, TV, sorry, the bed. We've got the bed configured in a double configuration bed. Yes, it allows to do the twin bed configuration. We've got the lamps, a small desk. And this is going to be my home for the next 21 days. I have some secrets to share, including a mysterious structural failure in the bathroom. Here is the bedroom setup. It can be two twins if you're traveling with a friend you don't want to touch, or one big bed. Since I'm solo, I kept it as a double. This allowed me to sleep in what I call the Starfish configuration. Limbs everywhere, zero judgment. It's glorious. On the side tables, we have USB-A ports and US plugs. This is vital. Let's be honest, at our age, we have more devices to charge than a teenage hacker. CPAP machines, phones, watches. We need the juice. Over here is the sofa. It's a sofa bed, okay? So technically, this cabin sleeps 3 people. Let's be real. If you put 3 adults in here for 21 days, one of them is going overboard by day 4. But for 1 or 2 people, it's perfect. Now, the desk. We have drawers, and the outlet situation, okay? We've got here one Euro plug in the US, another Euro plug in the US, another US, and a USB-A charger. If you forget your adapter, you'll have to decide which is more important, blow drying or charging your iPad. Choose wisely. We also have a very large TV over here for if you ever get bored on the ship. Storage here is good, but look at this. Glasses over here, fancy, but no cups. And absolutely no spoons. I need a spoon for my medicine. So I had to resort to a life of crime. I liberated the spoon from the little buffet. Don't tell the captain, I plan to return it. Eventually, maybe it's my souvenir now. Up here, the safe. It's big enough for a laptop, or in my case, to hide the spoon. Okay, the moment of truth. The bathroom. It looks like a normal cruise bathroom. It's got the shower, it's got a vanity, nice Eleni's products that smell like expensive spa water, but there is a massive problem. When I boarded 21 days ago, I fit into this shower with room to spare. Now, I have to grease my hips to get through the door. I am convinced that the humidity has caused the bathroom to shrink. It definitely has nothing to do with the 3-course dinners and the dive-in burgers. Nope, it's the humidity. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Despite the shrinking shower, the service is top tier. We have 2 cabin stewards here. I don't even have 1 steward at home. I just have a dog who ignores me. And they clean and organize the room twice a day. They do this genius thing. Every morning they turn the shower head toward the wall. You know that dance you do when you turn on the shower and the water and you get blasted with freezing cold water right in the face while you scream? Doesn't happen here. They aim it at the wall so you can test the temperature safely. Give that steward a Nobel Prize. Let's talk money, because I'd rather spend on excursions than socks laundry. You can pay $10 a day for unlimited or $30 for a single bag. I went for the $30 bag, and folks, I treated this bag like a Thanksgiving turkey. I stuffed it until it seems we're crying for mercy. Everything came back clean and on hangers. If you are solo, do the bag. If you are a couple, well, rock, paper, scissors for who gets the bag space. Well, just go for the unlimited laundry if you are two or more. And finally, the water smuggling operation. The fridge drinks cost extra, but your drink package has a limit of 15 drinks a day. I'm not a quitter. I don't leave drinks on the table. So at night, I'd order cans of water with my remaining credits, bring them back here and hoard them like a squirrel preparing for winter. Look at that stash. Saved me a fortune. So that's the Holland America Rotterdam cabin 7011 veranda terrace. A great room, great service, and a shower that judges you for eating dessert. If you enjoyed this tour and my struggle with, with the suitcase, hit that like button. And if you want to see exactly why I no longer fit in the shower, watch my Holland America Rotterdam videos right here, or here. Yeah. I'm going to sit on my suitcase to close it. See you in the next one.